What if I told you there's a way to get 10 hours of your life back every single week? That's 2 full workdays. I spent the last 3 months testing over 50 AI tools so you don't have to. Today, I'm ranking the top 10 that actually deliver results, counting down from number 10 to the absolute game changer at number 1. Stick around because the tool at number 1 literally saved me 3 hours yesterday alone. Let's dive in. Kicking off our countdown at number 10, Perplexity AI. This is Google's replacement for research. Instead of clicking through 10 different websites, you ask a question and get a comprehensive answer with citations. I was spending 2 hours weekly researching for videos, projects, and decisions. Now it's 20 minutes. It searches the web in real time, summarizes information, and provides sources. For students, professionals, or curious minds, this is how research should work in 2026. 2 hours back every week. Number 9, Reclaim.ai, or Motion for smart scheduling. These AI calendars automatically find time for your tasks, habits, and priorities. Instead of you figuring out when to work on something, the AI slots it into your calendar based on deadlines and energy levels. I was spending 90 minutes weekly just planning my schedule. Now my AI does it every night. It defends your focus time and auto-reschedules when conflicts arise. It's like having an executive assistant for your calendar. 1.5 hours saved, plus way less stress. At number 8, Canva Magic Studio. The AI design suite that creates graphics, presentations, and even videos from text prompts. Need a social media post? Type what you want, and it generates 10 variations in seconds. I was spending 90 minutes weekly on simple graphics. Now, it's 10 minutes. The Magic Write feature creates copy, Magic Edit changes photos, and Magic Animate adds motion automatically. You don't need to be a designer anymore. For small business owners or marketers, this levels the playing field. Number 7, and this one is a personal favorite, Fireflies.ai. It joins your Zoom, Teams, or Google Meet calls, records, transcribes, and then does something magical. It extracts action items, decisions, and key points automatically. No more "what did we decide" emails. The AI summarizes what matters and sends it to your team. I was spending 3 hours weekly just following up on meeting notes. Now it's automated. For sales calls or team syncs, this is the ultimate productivity hack. 3 hours back instantly. Coming in at number 6, Zapier or Make.com for automation. These connect your apps and automate repetitive tasks. New form submission, auto-send email, add to spreadsheet, and notify Slack, all automatically. I was manually moving data between tools for 2.5 hours weekly. Now it's 0. The AI features in 2026 can even suggest automations based on your workflow. Set it up once, and it runs forever. This isn't just saving time, it's eliminating human error completely. Number 5, GrammarlyGO. Yes, Grammarly has AI now, and it's incredible. Beyond grammar checks, it rewrites entire emails, adjusts tone, and generates responses. I was spending an hour daily just polishing professional communication. Now I write rough drafts and let AI refine them. Need to sound more confident, more friendly, more concise? One click. It integrates everywhere. Gmail, Slack, Docs. That's 5 hours a week of writing stress gone. And your emails actually get replies now. Number 4, Descript. This is witchcraft for video and podcast editing. Edit your video by editing text. Delete a word in the transcript, and it's gone from your video. It removes filler words automatically, fixes audio quality, and even clones your voice for corrections. I was spending 2 hours editing each video. Now it's 30 minutes. The AI green screen feature means you don't even need a fancy setup. For YouTubers or podcasters, this is the fastest workflow in 2026. Breaking into the top 3. At number 3, Jasper or Copy.ai for content creation. Whether you're writing emails, social media posts, or blog outlines, these tools cut your writing time by 70%. I used to spend 3 hours crafting weekly newsletters. Now I generate drafts in 20 minutes and just add my personal touch. The templates are insane, from Facebook ads to product descriptions. And no, it doesn't sound robotic anymore. The 2026 updates made it way more natural. 3 hours weekly? That's a whole evening back. Our runner-up at number 2, Otter.ai. Stop taking meeting notes manually. This AI transcribes conversations in real time, identifies speakers, and creates searchable notes automatically. 1.5 hours back in your pocket every week. And finally, the number 1 AI tool that saves me the most mental energy, Notion AI. If you're drowning in meeting notes, research, or random ideas, this is your lifeline. It summarizes hours of content in seconds, writes first drafts, and even translates between languages. But here's why it's number 1. It's not just a tool, it's your second brain. I used to spend 2 hours every Friday organizing my week. Now, 15 minutes. The AI-powered Q&A feature means you can just ask your notes anything. It's like having a research assistant in your pocket. 90 minutes saved every single week, plus total peace of mind. Let's recap the 10 AI tools that can save you 10 hours a week. 10. Perplexity AI. Get accurate, cited answers in seconds instead of spending hours searching the web. 9. Reclaim.ai. Automatically schedules your meetings, tasks, and habits to keep your calendar optimized with AI. 8. Canva Magic Studio. Design presentations, social posts, and marketing graphics with AI in just minutes. 7. Fireflies.ai. Records, transcribes, and summarizes your meetings so you can stay focused on the conversation. 6. Zapier or Make. Automate repetitive workflows by connecting your favorite apps, no coding required. 5. GrammarlyGO. Instantly write, rewrite, and polish emails, documents, and messages with AI assistance. 4. Descript. Edit videos and podcasts by editing text, making content creation dramatically faster. 3. Jasper or Copy.ai. Generate high-quality marketing copy, blog posts, emails, and social content in minutes. 2. Otter.ai. Capture conversations with real-time transcription and AI-generated meeting summaries. Number 1. Notion AI. Your all-in-one AI workspace for writing, summarizing, brainstorming, organizing projects, and managing knowledge, making it one of the biggest time savers available. Let's do the math. That's roughly 19.5 hours saved every single month, almost 2 full workdays. Imagine what you could do with that time. Learn a new skill? Start that side project? Actually rest? Here's the thing, you don't need to use all 10. Pick 2 or 3 that fit your workflow and start there. I've linked all these tools in the description with my personal setup guide. Which AI tool saves you the most time every week? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tool countdowns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tools, productivity tips, and technology updates that help you work smarter and save time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.